I'm about to show you how you can install and use BakkesMod on Rocket League. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. This will work for the Epic Games version and it should work for Steam as well. In my case, I have Rocket League on Epic Games, but keep in mind that this process should work on both versions. So firstly, you will obviously need to have Rocket League. In my case, I have it on Epic Games, so if you don't have it, just go to Epic Games and download it for free. Then go to BakkesPlugins.com. You can also search for BakkesMod and it should appear right here. But I will leave the link on the description below so you can just click and go to the website directly. So once you are here, all you need to do is go to BakkesMod and download BakkesMod. This will download this file. You just need to open it by clicking it and then click right here this file. Then this window should pop up. So to continue, it will tell you that it will need to close Rocket League if it's open. So click on yes. Then choose the path where you want to install this program. I'm gonna leave it on the default path. Then you can select if you want a desktop shortcut. I will just click on next and install. So wait a few seconds and then we don't really care about this notification, so click no. And we can choose if we want to launch the BakkesMod or not. So I'm gonna launch it right now. It will ask you to update the program, so click on yes because it's the first time launching it, so we don't have the updated version. And you will see a message like this. So now the mod should be working and all we need to do is open Rocket League. Okay, so now once you are inside Rocket League, you need to press F2. So once you press that key, the BakkesMod settings will pop up. So you can resize this window if you want, and make it bigger or leave it like this. And just for a quick overview of the categories, you can change the quick settings to hop into air dribble mode, Python mode, wall hit mode, and more. You can also change your skin if you want to enable the items mod. So you can click right here and then change whatever you want. So let's say you want a specific paint like this. As you can see, it will change automatically in your card and you can put whatever you want on your skins. So you will basically have everything unlocked and you can customize your card however you want. You can also reset it and disable the mod if you don't want to use it anymore. Then we also have customization for your current game if you want to change the game speed or the gravity. Then we have settings for the free play mode, for custom training if you want to train as well. For the ranked game mode, you can show your MMR on the queue or in the scoreboard. You can also put a like to automatically say GG, save the replays and more. This thing is not working at the moment, so let's hop to the next one. So right here you can configure other things like the light mode, FPS counter, and more. You can set the bindings right here, and then we also have the plugins. So if you don't know what the plugins are, you can take a look right here, or you can also go to the website. As you can see, if you go to the website, you will see there are different plugins you can install. So I'm not going to show you exactly how to do it, but this is very easy. For example, let's say we want to download this plugin. This will, for example, display the current song you are listening to on Spotify. So you can just click on install with BakkesMod and it will help you install it directly on the program we have. And another thing we can do on this website is browse card designs so you can import them on your game. If you want to import a card design, you just need to go to the card design you want. You should find a code like this. So copy it and go to Rocket League. And right here, if you go to the items, you need to enable the mod and you will see the code. So load a code, paste the code, you just copy it and load it. And now the skin will change with the card design you just copied. So that's it. That's a quick tutorial about how to install and use BakkesMod on Rocket League. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.